Oh, oh. 2 people can get in there, don't worry. I'll help you when you get there. It won't take off, Demi. Oh, look at that. Do you want to go? Oh, should I go inside first?
I don't want to go in.
Oh.
I want to go in the front.
You can just sit in there, can you? Are you allowed to sit in there?
I want to go in the front.
Yeah, you can estimate.
Let me go first.
Pass me your phone, I'll take a picture.
Yeah. And record us as well. It's on record.
You got him, Des? Des, watch his feet.
It says it's an explosive seat.
No, it's not explosive, or it kind of is. If the plane gets shot and it's going down, the seats can shoot out, so the pilot saves. Timmy, you flying a plane?
Whoa.
Okay.
Flying the plane.
Where are you driving to me? I'm driving to Japan.
Is this like a parachute or something?
Well, they're the
jets out,
ejector
yeah.
seats, aren't they?
Wow.
Who's driving?
Pretty cool.
Are you driving to Japan? Germany?
And
France?
I'm recording here.
Yes.
Oh, look at this.
Driving to the UK?
Look, we're actually on an airplane. Wow.
Where's Mummy driving to?
I'm in the plane. Where can I fly to, Demi?
Maybe Japan? Maybe France?
Oh, this is so cool. Are you flying a plane, Timmy? Where are you going to fly to? Oh, look. Look at all this.
Italy? Germany?
Look at all this to look at. And it's still another building.
Mummy?
Whoa. Look at that jet sheet.
Mummy?
Oh, I'm not sure.
What about Italy? Germany?